Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a detailed kebab recipe. Traditional original Turkish chicken doner kebab recipe. A1 meter high kebab was made. Thank you chef. Karaca Doner restaurant serving 25 years. Thank you for sharing our doner kebab with us. Karaca Doner restaurants. This is the Turkey in Isparta city center. Here is chicken doner kebab. There is always meals during the day. Doner kebab's chickens need to be knife thinned. 3 kilograms of animal fat added to the chicken breast together with 50 kilograms. Just put the chicken breast horizontally on the cutting board and cut it with a knife. This job looks simple.
Gelirken masada gelaş.
Salt, red pepper, powdered thyme, cumin, and iron or yogurt and water are used for marinating chicken meat. The required spices are mixed and thoroughly mixed with about 1.5 liters of iron.
O 80 milyar geri diyor al diyor. Ona bir şey demem diyor.
It is important that the consistency of the mixture is not very rigid or very fluid.
Ayşegül abla. Şöyle. Parçalama abla.
Prepared mixture is put on the top of chicken breast by hand is completely covered with sauce.
Emirhan, yağ kaç geldi?
This mixture will give the doner kebab both color and flavor.
Ayşegül abla, demir ver ama.
The steel skewer on which the meat is to be placed is fixed. Three kilograms of ground beef oil to be used. Adding oil makes the kebab not dry and dry. This animal fat is preferred as cover kettle oil. You can mix it into very little if you want to use lump. Chicken breast and fat are placed in a balanced manner. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks everyone for support.
Abi hesap alır.
Kola 4 ay.
24, 27, 30 değil.
There's a pointed piece of wood on the tip of the steel skewer to make the job easier. After some chickens are placed, the excess parts with the knife are cut off.
Diğer ilk çıkan müşterilerimizde de 3 tane ayran. Yani toplam 4 ayran 2 kola çıkar.
This is the name shaving process. The excess pieces can be added to the intermediate flours.
Karışık. Abi ya yemin. Sen var ya benim yerim.
Bunlar senden büyük oldu ya. Değil mi?
Doner kebab is rising a little more and shaving again with a knife. $50 kilograms chicken doner kebab was placed.
Sen bu dünyada yemek şeylerini araştırdın. Saçımı daha şöyle yaşayalım.
A 1 meter high kebab was made. The doner will be completely covered with stretch tightly. Chicken doner kebab wrapped with stretch will be kept in a night cabinet and be cooked in the morning. After 14 hours, it was morning and soon the kebab stove will be fired. Doner kebab is cooked by turning in the face of fire.
O tarafta mı geliyor? Sen niye dikine şeyin oradan yiyemiyor? Bak çok kestirme bir yolu var.
First 1 hour low cooked in the fire.
Sen oradan gideceksin. Allah'ım.
Ya Melih nasıl fark etmezsin sana?
Gelin. Yanlış dedim, deliriz diye.
Long doner knife used to cut doner kebab thinly. I showed you how to sharpen this blade to show how sharp it is. The knife maker who did this work from the 19th to this day makes this knife sharp. We can start cutting kebab after doner knife razor sharpness.
Hep beraber çıkıyoruz.
Vegetables are added to it. It is consumed by placing it between bread. Cucumber pickles, pepper pickles,
Adam bu yanına bakıyorum ben. Koyduğum müdde yok benim.
finely chopped tomato, finely chopped onion and parsley,
Sağ olun. Buyurun.
fried potatoes. The red pepper is added to the request.
Yalnız büyük kara girdin ha.
Thinly cut chicken doner is added between kebab sauce.
Atma parayı.
Ben-
50 kuruş at.
Adam iyi değil mi? Soda aldı.
Vegetables can be added or served as simple as can be.
Nereye su aldı gelin.
Evet. Tam sevdiği şey. Kendisi kaşındı değil mi?
Served on toast machine heated and buttered. This process may not be performed or may change in other cities.
Cumartesi sonra aldım. Ulan düşünmedim ben de.
Daha iyi gidiyor.
Bir gün daha yapmamış adam.
Dur abi.
The wrapping is added to the lavash bread. The roll is wrapped and served. I do not want to put too much vegetables. Some vegetables are enough.
2-3 tane üstüne göstermek koyabilirsin. Soğan. Karışma ya.
Ne dedik?
Abi geçer soğuma.
We come to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe.